Hey everyone, want to create custom fields in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to add custom fields to your ClickUp tasks so you can organize and track project information more effectively step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, open the **space *** folder *** or list * where you want to add custom fields. Now switch to a task view, such as *list view ***, where custom fields are easy to manage. Look for the *custom fields ** option and choose to create a new field. Next, select the type of custom field you need. You can choose options like text, number, dropdown, date, checkbox, currency, email, progress, and many other field types depending on your workflow. Give your custom field a clear name so your team understands what information should be entered. Configure any additional settings, such as default values, drop-down options, formatting, or visibility. Save the custom field and begin filling it in for your existing and future tasks. Next, use custom fields to track important details like project stages, budgets, client names, approval status, priorities, or deadlines. Finally, combine custom fields with filters, automations, dashboards, and reports to create a more organized and efficient project management system. And that's how to create custom fields in ClickUp. With customized task information, you can organize projects more effectively, improve reporting, and give your team better visibility into every task. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.